Happy Kids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happy Kids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Play-Doh camera. You know, like lights, camera, action. Here's what you need to get started. You need purple, orange, blue, green, pink, and red. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start with the base of the camera, which is going to be purple. Next, I'm going to add on all the details to my camera. Wow, I think it looks great. Smile for the camera. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to come back to see that I'm creating next time here on Happy Kids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.